All right, we got the Infusion 210 out here at IRCHA 2026. Stefan, you ready?
Oh yeah, definitely.
You ready, Mikkel?
Absolutely.
You ready too?
Yes.
All right, cool. We got batteries to go around. Let's do it.
It was really
Man, that thing's so quiet with the belt drive too. I love it. I love the sound of it too. Right? Clean.
very nice.
Yeah, it's a little windy out. Okay, very windy for a heli of this size.
They can't see it in the video.
Right? The orange looks so good against the sky too, and the ground.
Hey, other people are gonna fly that. You don't need to get that low.
He's not that low. I haven't heard any blades cut yet.
Okay. There are other people in line, sir.